Get detachable magnetic task lighting with the Milwaukee Internal USB Rechargeable Headlamp with 450 lumens. Built to adapt, perform, survive. A part of Milwaukee's line of rechargeable personal lighting solutions, the Milwaukee Internal USB Rechargeable Headlamp performs with 450 lumens of TRUEVIEW High Definition Output with spot and flood beam options. Adapt to any job with the magnetic light head for quick detachment into a handheld or magnet-mounted task light, wherever you need it. With 5 modes, users can adjust for optimal output, coverage and runtime. Stay ready from job to job with USB charging and an onboard battery life indicator. Built to survive the job site, the rechargeable headlamp is IP54 rated for water and dust resistance and withstands impacts up to 2 meters. Get detachable magnetic task lighting with the Milwaukee Internal USB Rechargeable Headlamp with 450 lumens.